X-Files of Sydney, True Story 4. The Fraud of Mark Speakman. Mark Speakman is Attorney General of NSW Australia. He is fabricating lawsuits. This is based on true story. Year 2017, August, NCAT, Administrative and Equal Opportunity and Occupational Division decided to have some rule for regarding the Guardian Ad Litem. For example, NCAT or applicant or respondent, they can lodge the application to appoint a Guardian Ad Litem. This is quite dangerous. So, the KCU versus the University of Technology Sydney. The university lodged the application. I need a Guardian Ad Litem. UTS said I'm incompetent. It's like I am disabled and then I can represent. But I was a ranking number 1 student at University of Technology Sydney before UTS kicked me out. Even my psychiatrist, Dr. Yoon, said, made a medical certificate. I am capable of representing myself in the court. I do not need a Guardian Ad Litem. The doctor psychiatrist, issued the medical certificate. However, NCAT determined I need a Guardian Ad Litem. So what happened is my Guardian Ad Litem withdrew my application. You see, that application is against Ombudsman. If I succeed in the application, Ombudsman should release the information. So the information will show the Mark Speakman's misconduct. That's why Mark Speakman, Mark Speakman is possible, that time, year 2017, about the Guardian Ad Litem, the rule was passed. That time, I had the proceedings against Ombudsman, New South Ombudsman, University of Technology Sydney. But it's really, coincidence. It was a coincidence. That time, Mark Speakman, he's the manager. He's a manager of NCAT, passed the rule. So, it's lucky for the Mark Speakman. So my Guardian Ad Litem withdrew the application. The reason is, you see, he emailed me. Yes, I heard the Attorney General ordered it. It's unusual. My Guardian Ad Litem said Attorney General fabricated my proceedings. So he withdrew my application, even though he doesn't want to withdraw my application. That's really bad. How can you be a politician? And also, my Guardian Ad Litem, it said the application for legal aid has been declined by the legal aid. The legal aid declined my, legal application, so I can't have the legal aid. But however, the legal aid said there is no mention of any disability discrimination proceedings. That means my Guardian Ad Litem didn't lodge any application for the legal aid, but he told a lie. Said his legal aid was declined. I had some depressions and some, because no wonder, I suffered from, I suffered so much. So I opened my name, and then I received some phone calls and also some contact, and is just possible, and then is some people is some lawsuit. The law circles is very conservative, and then their life is their career is depending on the Attorney General. So Attorney General has really a lot of huge power. but his misconduct, so a lot of lawsuits or proceedings is like fabricated. Next time I'm going to talk about the NCAT, the first president of Robert Wright. Attorney General is the head of the New South Wales Department of Justice, but it's a lot of people complaining about the Attorney General, and there are a lot of proceedings. If you go to www.nsw.gov.au, you can see a lot of proceedings against the Attorney General, but he never loses. So it's like he's under him is Ombudsman and NCAT, Guardian Ad Litem, legal aid, and then everything. His ethics very important, but I don't think he's ethical. He fabricated my lawsuits. I have more story. So please click. I appeal the decision of NCAT. So you could stop Mark Speakman from fabricating my proceedings by clicking. So it's unbelievable how could the Attorney General fabricate someone's the proceedings. It's very unethical. So it's very unethical. So we should stop him. Thank you.